we're toward the mouth of the Tidal Creek. You can see it's actually coming from the Intracoastal Waterway, which is right there. The Intracoastal Waterway. You can see all of these mangroves are dead. Now some are making a comeback. The storm has rerouted this and actually recreated this tidal creek. So this was a flourishing mangrove community in the past, and we've seen images of that. And then it dried up. When it dried up, all of these mangroves died, and you can see how this is all almost like the floor of a pond or a lake. Now it is reopened because of the last storm. And you can see how some mangroves are starting to recover. So this will likely be a mangrove habitat again, totally different. This was a huge pool, and then the mangrove surrounded it. Now it's a tidal creek, and the water is flowing from the intracoastals down into the Gulf. It does get rather deep toward the Gulf. You can see the wildlife. There's a whole bunch of killifish, a lot of the sulfur oxidizing bacteria and blue-green bacteria. You see that is an Australia pine. They have been removed to great expense because they are exotic species, but they're obviously make a recovery because you can't get rid of all of the seeds. Right there is a crown conch. Crown conch, that snail, living in the shallow water. You can see his proboscis sticking out, how it is taking in water through that proboscis. So you have a kind of a renewal through succession of an ecosystem that existed, been changed, and now it's been changed again. So every time a storm, tropical storm or hurricane moves through the area, you have potential to have the area rewritten, re-landscaped.